How to transfer Starlink ownership. Now in this quick video, I'll show you a specific method for you to be able to transfer Starlink ownership. So you'll just have to do something first before you go ahead and execute the change of ownership. So first is to make sure that all the service that you have or the subscription from your Starlink account before you go on changing of ownership, all those services needs to be canceled. Log in into the Starlink account, go into subscription, select manage and click cancel service. Now, once you've successfully canceled the service, make sure that the line is still active for you to execute the change of ownership into the new owner. Log into the same account once again, go into devices, and you should be able to choose what specific active line that you need to transfer. Execute transfer, and then you just need to provide the information that you have on your end from the physical router into the new owner. Provide them the kit serial number and as well as the shipping label or from the original box. And that is how you transfer Starlink ownership.